Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Rupali Korpe, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. Today I am here to deliver my oral presentation, and the topic of my oral presentation is VOV studies of UDOPE CA5AL8014 blue emitting phosphors for mercury-free lamps and plasma display panels application at International Web Conference on Advanced Material Science and Nanotechnology 2020, organized by Department of Physics, Vinayak Vignan Mahavidyalay, Nandgaon Khandeshwar, Amravati. Outline of the presentation: abstract, introduction, synthesis of the material, characterization, conclusion, and last references. Abstract: in order to obtain a suitable blue phosphors for mercury-free lamps and plasma display panels, the divalent europium activated calcium aluminates Ca5Al8014Eu2+ phosphors were synthesized by low temperature combustion method. The vacuum ultraviolet spectroscopic property were investigated by using synchrotron radiation. As the phosphorus Ca5Al8014U2+ shows broad and strong absorption in UV region and exhibit intensive emission under 147 and 172 nanometer excitation, it is considered to be a promising blue phosphor for mercury-free lamps and plasma display panels application. The intense and broad luminescence due to 4f6 5d 4f7 transition of U positive ion was observed at 442 nanometer. The formation of crystalline calcium aluminates was confirmed by X-ray diffraction pattern, and the morphology of the material was studied by scanning electron microscopy. Introduction: an important class of vacuum ultraviolet and plasma display phosphors are based on compound in the alkaline earth rare earth aluminate system. Aluminates of calcium doped with E positive activator ion possesses safer, chemically stable and intense photoluminescence invisible compared to other conventional phosphors. Calcium aluminates represent an interesting class of material owing to their technologically important properties such as ferroelectricity, a second-order nonlinear optical behavior are the numerous applications. Among them, Ca5Al8014 is a non-centrosymmetric oxide and with properties such as optical activity, pyroelectricity, and piezoelectricity. Experimental process: the material was synthesized by low temperature solution combustion method. In this method, stoichiometric amount of calcium nitrate, ammonium nitrate and europium nitrate were taken in borosilicate beaker. In this, urea was added as a fuel and ammonium nitrate was added as a oxidizer. To this mixture, double distilled water was added by dropwise to obtain a clear solution, which was then transferred to preheated Moffel furnace at 500 degrees Celsius. The mixture boiled, foam ignited to voluminous foamy material. The foam's product was crushed into fine powder and used for further characterization. This is the XRD analysis of the material. The structure of the synthesized material was established by XRD study. The XRD analysis shows that the products are of high purity and crystallinity when prepared by the combustion process. Characterization: XRD was done by Rikaku Mini Flex 2 X-ray diffractometer. SEM was carried out by Hitachi FESM model. VOV was carried out VOV characterization of the synthesized phosphor material by using remote access mode of beamline 4B at Beijing Synchrotron Radiation Facility BSRF China under dedicated synchrotron mode. The VOV of the material was recorded at Department of Physics HGB Amravati University Amravati by using remote access mode. UV study of Ca5Al8014. The first graph shows excitation spectra of the material and other two as the emission spectra of the emission spectra at 147 nanometer and other is the 172 nanometer. The first graph shows broad and strong absorption in VOV region and exhibit intensive emission under 147 and 172 nanometer excitation. It is considered to be a promising blue phosphor for mercury-free lamps and plasma display panels application. The emission spectra display broadband emission at 442 nanometer, which was due to 4f6, 5d1, 4f7 transition of U dye-positive ion. The intensity of the emission spectra excited by 172 nanometer means the last graph shows more than the intensity of the spectra excited by 147 nanometer. In this host, it is also found that for 9 mole% concentration of europium ion, PL intensity is maximum and PL intensity get quenched for higher concentration. Conclusion: the Ca5Al8014U phosphor are prepared by the combustion method. The formation of crystalline aluminate is confirmed by X-ray diffraction pattern. The prepared phosphor is characterized by SEM and UV photoluminescence techniques. The phosphor Ca5Al8014U dye-positive shows broad and strong absorption in UV region and exhibit intensive emission under 147 and 172 nanometer excitation. The emission spectra display broadband emission at 442 nanometer. So it is considered that the material is a promising blue phosphor for mercury-free lamps and plasma display panels application. Acknowledgement: we are grateful to Beijing Synchrotron Radiation Facility, China for providing remote access mode in recording UV on beamline for BET under dedicated synchrotron mode. These are the references.